Alright, hello everybody and welcome to the Halls of Music YouTube channel. Please hit the subscribe button, the bell notification, and the like button, and comment on all of our videos so that YouTube will send them out for more people to enjoy. Today we're going to be going over Pirates of the Caribbean, melody in two different places on the guitar. One's in the open position, one is in the fifth position or a closed position. And Jack here is really excited about this. This is for beginner and beginner intermediate guitar players. If you want or need the tablature for one or both of these arrangements, feel free to email me at bobby@thehallsofmusic.com. You can also go to thehallsofmusic.com to find out more about online lessons or come into my home for private lessons. I look forward to hearing from you guys. I hope you have fun with your guitar, as much fun as Jack is having back here running from something. Y'all have an awesome day. See you soon.